Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Next on the workbench is another project. These are second-hand recovered from a vehicle. These are Whelen TIR3 Super Series light heads, in resin encapsulated, try 3 LEDs, 10 scan lock patterns, interlinkable, fully waterproof. My job now is, now they're all working, excuse the jumbled mess of spaghetti wiring, but now they're all working, where they've been hacked out of a vehicle with different lengths of wire coming out the back. I'm going to cut all the wire down to an exact size on all of them, clean it up. I'm going to properly solder on new colour corresponding leads, and then use proper heat resin infused heat shrink and give them a new life, basically, with a good couple feet of cable or wire on each light head. And then they're going to be taped using proper tape, and then they can go back into service for a voluntary emergency services. But they're very effective, extremely bright. For the size of them, you often see these more so on the older Mercedes Sprinter British ambulances, side repeaters on fire appliances and coastguard vehicles. You don't see them much on the paramedic cars or the police cars due to their size, but they do have, which I've washed and cleaned every single one, they do have an actual bezel that goes with them, which encapsulates over the lamp like so, and then a rubber base mounting grommet, and then they screw to the surface of what you wish to mount them to. The video is dark because I wanted to accentuate the lovely colour of blue, but I've cleaned all these parts up and I'm now going to make them look like brand new, test them all so they're test and passed, they can go back into service. But if you're interested in light bars, beacons, you want to know anything about them, always fire away a question, whether it be amber, British, beacons for work vehicles, Regulation 65, Chapter 8, anything that's compliant and bright, I may be able to help you. But if the video has been interesting to you, give it a thumbs up and a like, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow, press the bell icon for more notifications or videos are published. But thanks for watching AW Services. Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the police.